doing a small little video today looking at my living Christmas tree. And I'm doing this handheld, and I apologize, it's a little bit wiggly, but I wanted to come closer here. This has been in the ground since 2019, Christmas actually. We planted it in 2020. It's 2021 now, so a year later. This tree is healthy and happy. It's an Aleppo pine, and what we're looking at here is a bunch of little buds, basically, that are going to be new branches. And if you look all around this, it is got a lot of lush new growth, and it's already over my head. So it was about 4 feet tall when we bought it. It's about 6 feet tall now, and looking to head even higher. A tree from basically Afghanistan and parts like that get seasonal rain, sometimes less than 10 inches of rain a year. And so hey, what do we got here in the Southwest? Little rain. And the nice thing about this is it's going to get tall, and it's going to provide nesting habitat for hawks and owls, and just be a big beautiful tree. It's growing. And if you plant something like this in your land, take before and after pictures, or before and once a year pictures, just to see that your garden is changing. It's so cool. Thanks for watching Gardening with Soule.